Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. As near as I can tell, this is a sintered bronze wheel with diamond embedded around the outside. Now I can probably yank it off with a puller, but I don't want to chip it. So I'm going to try patting the outside of the wheel. See if I can spread the load out, make it so I don't have a pressure point. Now the reason I'm going through all this trouble is I don't want to break the wheel, because I think the wheel's worth more than the grinder. At least to me it is, because I have other grinders. And since the grinder didn't cost me anything and it's not proven that it's working, you know, it's the old thing, you don't work, you don't eat. Well, it hasn't worked yet. Okay, I'm going to set this on here, spread that one out and that one out so that they get behind the wheel, and then I'm going to set the puller shaft like so. Now if everything goes right, this should just slide right off of there. If not, the wheel will crack. I'll still have one wheel off of it. I'd really like to have both. I'd like to have both of them on it and both of them working. That's coming. Awesome. It never hurts to take a little extra time and think about a problem before you attack it. It's coming off there actually pretty easy. Now that's still, it's a ton of force on it. Even though I'm only just almost turning that with my fingers. Now I am turning it with my fingers. There's a lot of leverage in the screw. There we go. Oh man, that thing is heavy. That might have a steel center. That is a seriously heavy diamond wheel. Got a rusty center, but this out here, that's not rust. A.I.T. 341 MF 48784 0 D. That's a D. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.